How to change shipping address on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will discuss how we can change the shipping address on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, shipping address and billing address are different, and shipping address and delivery address means same. So if you're talking about billing address, then this is not the video. I've already made a tutorial for that. But if you're talking about your delivery or your shipping address also, you're on the right video. For that, first of all, go ahead and then open up the Amazon application, and then you can currently see that I'm basically logged into my account. Now if I want to change the shipping address, first of all, tap this account icon, which is right at the bottom center, which is this profile like icon here. And after you do that, if you look at the top, you'll find another option that says your account. So just make sure to tap the your account button here. And once you go to your account option, over here you'll be able to see different sort of options, where one of the options you'll find here is known as your addresses. So tap the your addresses option, and here you can see personal address and your normal address. Now you can just choose any of this as a default address if you like. So here these are basically you can set as default, or you can just edit the current one, which is currently set as a delivery or shipping address, and then you will be able to change it in that way. This way you can basically change the shipping address on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.